Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning and Life Hacks. Are you tired of using traditional toilet bowl cleaner only to find that it doesn't fix that ring in your toilet and it doesn't properly clean it up, and your toilet doesn't smell any better than when it did when you had those cleaners, and then you have yet one more cleaning thing to put in your cleaning caddy? I'm going to make your life easier, and it's even better than a dishwashing tab. At the end of the video, I'll share with you what's here in my boy's toilet. And no, it is not Taco Bell. What you want to do here is get yourself just a little bit of this. This goes a long way. I'll share this in just a second. Kind of looks like toothpaste. How many of you thought this was toothpaste? You're just going to put a little bit of it here in your toilet where you have rings, stains, smells, and then you're going to take your toilet brush, whatever you have, and you're going to just rub it around your stains or whatever you have. And then here's the magic. You want to let this sit for as long as humanly possible in your toilet. If you have some really bad stains, I would come back again and dump a little bit more of this good goo here inside of your toilet. Now this toilet's looking pretty darn good here because I've tried everything when it comes to cleaning your toilet. I think I found the best recipe. Smells amazing. Can you smell that? Yes, yes. So what is this goo right here? I've done videos on dishwashing tabs inside of your toilet and washing powder, particularly OxiClean, which I think is equally as amazing. But here's my favorite. One of my favorites at this point, a little dishwashing detergent liquid. This clings very nicely. And the best part about it, particularly if you have a clog in your toilet, this one contains Dawn. Do you see that? Grease fighting power, 24 stuck on food. If this is good enough for the food that you eat, it is good enough for what's coming out of the food that you eat. Now, if you want it to smell even better, I do prefer this lemon scent. So then you don't have that scent of chemical harsh cleaners and bleach and toilet bowl cleaner all up in your bathroom. It just smells like a really fresh scent. Let me know if you've tried this before. Oh, I almost forgot. For those of you that guess soy sauce in the side of the toilet, right here, give yourself a thumbs up. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. YouTube thinks you're gonna wanna watch this video next. I think you're gonna wanna watch this video. Let's see who is right, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.